Hi there. In this screencast, we're going to consider what it means to be an IB World School by looking at a few of the standards and practices. The following practices require schools to demonstrate their support for learning diversity. So learning diversity or differentiation or the supporting the needs of all learners are important ideas in the IB world and in an IB school. And so we're going to take a look in this topic at supporting students who have learning diversity needs, assessment access needs, and who are studying in a language other than their mother tongue. We want to try to help students keep the connections to their home countries as they are studying with us and acquiring a new language, which may be their language of instruction. So a few of the standards, so the new standards and practices came into effect on January 1st, 2020. And here's just a few that I pulled out to highlight the importance of supporting the learning of all students. So for example, one of the standards is called student support. And we're looking for the school to identify and provide appropriate learning support. Under culture, the school secures access to an IB education for the broadest possible range of students. The school implements, communicates, and regularly reviews an inclusion policy that creates cultures that support all students to reach their full potential. And the school implements, communicates, and regularly reviews a language policy that helps to foster intercultural understanding through communicating in a variety of ways in more than one language. Later in this section, you're going to see a video from an IB examiner speaking about her experience with respect to students who are learning in the language of instruction that they're writing in, but they're just learning that language. So these are the basics of the IB and inclusion, and often people outside of IB schools make the assumption that students with learning or language support needs cannot take the IB, and this is not correct. So in this topic, we'll take a look at how schools can support all learners in their diploma programs.